You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French originally. This is the plural. I've got another video on how to pronounce the singular. It's in French. Both singular and plural are pronounced the same way. Prie-Dieux. The X is silent in French. Prie-Dieux. Therefore, you could say it Prie-Dieux as well as with the X, which the X at the end indicates that it's plural, right? And the same in English. Prie-Dieux is generally how it's pronounced in English, but you don't necessarily have to pronounce the Z sound at the end. That's your English pronunciation, Prie-Dieux. But you can also say Prie-Dieux, Prie-Dieux, because in French indeed, the X is not pronounced. Prie-Dieux is the French pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.